Hey, what is going on, guys? My name is Twisty3 and welcome to another edition of Don Bradman Cricket 14's Bowling Career Mode. So today I'm playing as the Perth Scorchers as part of the Big Bash League. Well, that's a lot of outside sound. And I will hopefully... Oh, that's such a close shot to a wicket. But I have had a reasonably average performance with the ball in the first Big Bash match that I played. I took about 1 for 20 something, which was, decent figures in the Big Bash, less than 10 and over, which is always good. Probably going at just over a run a ball, I would assume. Can't really remember too well. But with the bat, I had a really good performance, hitting 31, off just 11 deliveries, and 31 off just 10 balls. Winning the game for our team after coming in with 2 overs to go, 12 balls to go, and 36 runs required. So it was a very good performance to get us over the line there. So we won our first match. The Stars are pretty good. I think it's going to be tough to beat them. But let's see if we can do it here. I'd probably need to take about 3 wickets, I would suspect. I can't really remember what happened in this match. This was about a week ago. So I do have quite a lot of this stuff recorded. It just needs to be edited at this stage and then uploaded. So I'm going to be doing my best to get all of that out to you guys this week. That's the plan. Well, not all of it this week, but a lot of it this week. There's going to be a Big Bash, a BBL game coming out on the BGL Cricket. There you go. Wait, BBBGL. That's the one. BBBGL match coming out on BGL Cricket, featuring myself. So you can go ahead and check that out. And later this week, I'm going to be pumping this up every video. I will be doing another live stream with hopefully a guest from Big Ant Studios coming on the live stream to talk about their games. So that'll all be really cool. And yeah, hopefully it's all going to work out and you guys are going to enjoy it. So I'm gonna force you to enjoy it. You must hit the like button. You must enjoy it. Otherwise, yeah. No, you don't have to enjoy it. I don't know what am I talking about. If you don't like the video, dislike the video. That's your own opinion. It's always good to get feedback from everybody. Hopefully you guys are enjoying it. I know a lot of you are, with the likes that you leave on the videos, the comments that you leave on the videos. So it's all really exciting for me at this stage. I'm very happy with the way things are going. News desk returning shortly. I know I'm going to plug that a lot this week as well. Very close to 2,500 subscribers, which will be another good milestone there. So I'll be, pretty impressed with how well the channel has grown. So you guys can also like me on the Facebook page and follow me on Twitter, because that's probably where you're most likely to get an answer from me. You can also inbox the Facebook page to try and get an answer there. I will respond to as many of those as I can. Gee, I can't talk today. It hasn't been a great day. I can say that. Train's annoying. Hate the train. But yeah. Anyway, hopefully you guys are going to enjoy the rest of the video, and hopefully it pans out well for me. I can't really remember too much or reveal too much that I do know. So hopefully you enjoy the rest of the video, and I will see you guys later.
Oh, and they liked that one. Loud appeal. Hold the phone. The captain wants to review this decision. Will this decision stand, or will it get reversed? And no run there. He's out. They get a prized wicket here.
It was a suicidal run out. Just what were the batsmen doing there?
Yes, keeper!
He takes the single.
Catch!
3 for 45.
That's a fine shot. Got onto it early.
Wait there. Oh, yes, nice bowling. Waiting.
Nice straight bat. And no run there.
Waiting. Yes, nice bowling. Yes.
A rather pointless appeal here. And that's the final wicket, and the batting team have fallen short of the target. They'll be disappointed they couldn't do more here.
The Stars have gone on to win, and what a thrilling match it was. It came right down to the wire. Really enjoyed it.